Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your War Thunder account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the War Thunder application on your preferred device, and once you load it up, you will be able to see this kind of an interface from where you can choose an authorization method. You can log in as a guest without creating an account by choosing the guest login option. Similarly, you can also use your Apple ID credentials and then your Facebook account's credentials to log into your War Thunder account. If you'd like to use the last option, simply go ahead and click on it, and you will be able to log in with your Gaizen email address and password. If you don't have an account with War Thunder yet, you can tap on the sign up option at the top and follow through the sign up process. If you've already got an account, you will need to enter your login email inside the email text box. Similarly, on the next tab, you will need to type in your password. If you don't remember your Gaizen account's password, go ahead and tap on I forgot my password and follow through the password reset process. After filling in the correct password, tap on the sign in button and you will be able to log into your War Thunder account. So that's how easy it is to log into War Thunder using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.